Good morning, guys. It is Monday, the 1st of July, and we're down to our last day, our third day of our a mini getaway. What can you say about Yeah, so it's still cold, guys, but thank you, Lord, the sun is up. So as you can see, the sun. Oop. Yes, so we are checking out now, guys. It is approximately 11 in the morning, and yeah, we're checking out, and we are planning to go to Blackwood town center to just, grab some coffee and breakfast. Oh, what did you do? Huh? Yeah. And then we will maybe go to Mount Macedon Ranges. If not, we'll do mini golf. I'm not sure. We have a lot of things in mind, but if we run out of time, then maybe I don't know, maybe we'll just drive home and rest, because I need to get back to work tomorrow. Isn't that right, honey? Have a look at Paris's nose. It's so red. Oh yeah, you can. I can't put you down because you don't have shoes. So as you can see, that's the place, guys. Oh, big trees. And that is the place that we stayed in. Oh, yes. So yeah, guys. So Paris just having her coffee. Oh, finished? Oh, give it to mommy. Oh, careful. This way, this way. Shh, Paris. Wah, wah, bah. Hang on, mama will fix it. There you go. Come here. Come here. Bye. Yes. Bye. Bye. Yeah. What's that? Can you call Daddy? Tell him we need to go. Please? Daddy is inside the house. Can you please go call Daddy? Paris. Call Daddy, please. Oh, give this to Daddy instead. Say, Daddy, Mama wants to give this to you. Please? Thank you. Yeah. Tell Daddy, Mama wants to give this to you, Daddy. So yeah, guys, we are now in, we're supposed to be Blackwood town center. Oh my lord, this is so tiny. Seriously, I expected more shops here than what there is right now. Hey, we're just gonna stop and have some coffee, guys, because it's 11 o'clock and we still haven't had our coffee. So yeah, I'll show you outside. So that's the coffee place that we're going to. Have a look at their post office, guys. It's so cool. I love country. They've got the hotel there. See, Blackwood Hotel. I can only count cars here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the main road. It's so quiet. It's Martin Street Coffee. Oh, there's a few people in here. We've got a fireplace. Oh, this is fancy. Hi, you like it, honey? Do you like it, Mimi? Can you sit here?
Of course you can.
Although it's fancier than I thought. So here's our drinks now, guys. Mimi's got hot chocolate. Mama's got hot chocolate. What did you get, Daddy?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. And our little one's got baby chino. Wow. Yes, do you like it? Big girl. Yum. So it's here, guys. It is beef. Cheese. What's this one, buddy?
American cheeseburger.
American cheeseburger. There you go. Got crispy chips. And that has got, what's that, Daddy?
Bangers and mash.
Huh?
Bangers and mash.
Bangers and mash.
Pork and fennel sausage and mashed potato and a beetroot relish.
Good. How about this young lady here? What's going on?
Start giving us something though.
You're a character, honey. Wala, crispy tayo. Ayaw tong crispy yatag makay sa iyo. Mo magidaingan mak third kuan. Hi guys, good afternoon. It is currently 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we are obviously home now. After we had our breakfast at Blackwood Town Centre, we decided to just drive back home straight instead of going somewhere else because tomorrow is Tuesday. It means I need to go back to work because Dada's got the whole week off. Lucky him, yes. And yeah, so we wanted to have, you know, that extra, you know, relaxed time at home before going back to work tomorrow. So that's what we've done. As you can see, my hair is still a bit wet. I just got out from the shower, and for the rest of the afternoon we'll just stay indoors and relax and not do anything at all. And yeah, so it was overall, guys, the 3 days 2 nights weekend getaway was amazing. It was perfect time to actually bond and, you know, going to a place where there was no phone signal, there's no internet, which is, you know, pretty interesting because, you know, obviously I think we're not used to like living, you know, without the internet and telephone anymore. But it was good. I think the only worry that I had then was, you know, if something happened, how are we going to call someone for help? But you know, that was a worst case scenario. It didn't happen which is very good. Yeah, it was great. Thank you for watching our vlogs, guys. As usual, I'm very grateful. Don't forget to, if you are not part of the family as yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be a part of the family. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. See you later, guys. Bye.